Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from RinPac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Custom pre-roll Mylar bags offer a perfect combination of style and functionality. With their sleek design and customizable options, these bags not only keep your pre-rolls fresh but also help your brand stand out in a crowded market. What sets custom pre-roll Mylar bags apart is their ability to preserve the flavor, aroma, and potency of your pre-rolled products. Made from high-quality Mylar material, these bags provide an airtight seal, protecting your pre-rolls from moisture, light, and oxygen. With their convenient tier notch and resealable ziplock closure, custom pre-roll Mylar bags ensure easy access for consumers while keeping their pre-rolls fresh for longer periods. Ready to elevate your cannabis brand with custom pre-roll Mylar bags? Reach out to us today to explore our range of customizable options and take your packaging to the next level. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.